Did you know that a small change in your LLC's operating agreement can have big consequences? Today, we're going to dive into a crucial part of your LLC's operating agreement, the amendment clause. Why does it matter, and what do you need to know to make sure that your business stays on track? Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chris Daming, here to help you navigate the legal side of running your business. Today, we're talking about the amendment clause in an LLC operating agreement, what it is, why it's important, and how you can use it to keep your LLC flexible and prepared for change. First off, let's define what an amendment clause is. In simple terms, an amendment clause is a provision in your LLC operating agreement that outlines the process for making changes to that agreement. This could be anything from changing the management structure to updating member roles and responsibilities. Think of it like a rule book for how you can actually change your rule book.
Here are the new rules, okay? Earth tones only.
It's all about ensuring everyone is on the same page when changes are needed. Okay, so why is this clause so important? So the amendment clause is crucial because it provides this kind of clear path for making necessary changes to your operating agreement. Without it, any changes could lead to confusion, disputes, or even potential legal issues down the road. By having a well-drafted amendment clause, you ensure that all members know exactly how changes can be proposed, discussed, and improved. This clarity kind of helps prevent these misunderstandings and keeps the business running smoothly. For instance, imagine your LLC wants to change how profits are distributed. Without a clear amendment process, members might disagree on how to proceed, leading to potential conflicts or even litigation. So what makes a good amendment clause? So there's several key components that you should include to make sure that your clause is effective and comprehensive. First, define the process for proposing an amendment. This could be a simple majority vote or actually require unanimous consent, depending on the importance of the change. Second, specify how members will be notified of proposed amendments. This could be in writing or via some kind of meeting that you have. And third, outline the voting procedure and what percentage of votes is needed to approve the amendment. So let's say that your LLC decides that any major financial changes, like if it's going to be more than $10,000, need a 2/3 majority vote. This could be clearly stated in the amendment clause to avoid any confusion when the time actually comes to vote. So how do you go about amending your LLC operating agreement? So here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1, review your current operating agreement to understand the existing amendment process. Step 2, draft the proposed amendment and share it with all your members. Step 3, hold a meeting or send out notices as per the notification method in your amendment clause. Step 4, vote on the proposed amendment according to the voting procedure. And finally, step 5, document the approved amendment and update the operating agreement accordingly. So consider a scenario where your LLC wants to change its management structure from member managed to manager managed. By following these steps, you ensure that all members are aware, involved, and agree to the change, keeping your LLC legally compliant. Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when you're amending your LLC operating agreement. Mistake number 1, not following the process outlined in your existing amendment clause. Mistake number 2, failing to adequately notify all the members of this proposed amendment. And mistake number 3, not documenting the amendment properly, which could lead to legal disputes down the road. So imagine that your LLC makes an amendment without proper notice to all the members, and a member later claims that they were unaware of the change. This could lead to internal conflicts or even legal challenges for your LLC. So this amendment clause might seem like a small detail in your LLC operating agreement, but it's super important for maintaining flexibility and clarity within your business. Make sure your amendment clause is well drafted and followed closely to keep your LLC running smoothly. If this video helped you better understand the amendment clause, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your LLC and other business legal matters. And if you need a template to update your operating agreement, check out the link in the description below. So, Mr. Templeton, what do you think about amendments and operating agreements?